Enjoy exciting and romantic 1-hour-long cruise ride in river Seine right through heart of Paris city. Lunch and dinner cruises float in 777 kilometers long Seine River to make sightseeing very enchanting in Paris. Dividing Paris city into banks, Seine River is Paris's main river, having majority historical sites on its banks. Inavlad's district is home to ministries, embassies, military academy and Eiffel Tower. Champs-Élysées Avenue is the lively heart of Paris, visited by 300,000 people every day for shopping and festivals.